Hello crafty friends, welcome back to one of my tag videos. I'm using again one of the tags from the kit. All the description below will show you where to get it. I'm gonna color this tag with two different colors. One side with the twisted citron, that's very nice bright distress oxide ink. The oxide inks usually are much more vibrant than the normal distress inks. And I'm going to use on the other side Wild Honey. It's a color that I absolutely love. And I'm not going to let them blend together, not too much. I'm going to, both of the sides, let fade into the white. So as a give us a highlight in the middle, like a light coming through. So I went on the other side. I'm being very generous with the colors, and that's it. I think a little bit more here. Yeah, that's better. And yeah, I really like the way the oxide ink blend in the paper. I'm gonna go around on the yellow on the bottom part and with the green on the yellow part, just to kind of unite them together, let's say. There you go. When I'm satisfied, I'm gonna put them away. I'm gonna give a good clean to the mat with one of the wipes that I've got on the side. There you go. And I'm gonna be ready for the next step. So I'll be using one of the stencils that come in the kit, that is the wall one. And I will apply some just some extra ink on top of it. So just work with inks just to give an impression of the wall, let's say. So I'm gonna use some washi tape to keep it in place, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the colors. So we'll start with the yellow on the yellow, with the wild honey on the wild honey. There you go. Not too much. I want a subtle effect, soft. And then with the green on green, tone on tone colors. There you go. Yeah, I like what I see. And now I'll go and do the same things on the other side. So I can leave some space in the center for my focal point. Again, using the washi tape to keep it in place, and again doing tone to tone. So green on the bottom, very lightly, and yellow on the top. There you go. A little bit more, and I think I'm done. Let's have a look. Yep, I do like this effect. So I'm going to put on the side and give it again another clean to the mat. So I'll be using one of this little stamp on the stamp set included in the kit, and then I will go around with my black line pen just to very simple flowers. I'm going to draw some very simple flowers all around, just like coming out from the wall. Nothing too fancy, just a few flowers here and there. And then I will go all around the tag, creating a frame. There you go, super simple, everybody can do it. Go all around again, no worry about messiness, it's fine, all around. It will create some little space that will fill up with the white later. Now, because again, when I fussy cut the stamp image, I didn't bother with the fit, they were too small, so I decided again to print the fit, the bottom part of the stamps directly on the tag with the StazOn Ink. There we go. And then using the acrylic paint marker pens, I will add the colors with so I'm gonna color the fit with orange. There they are. There we go. So fit with orange, and then I will color the flowers and apply some white all around the frame. They are they are acrylic paint, so the cover is very good again. So simple. On top, that's it. Yeah, it works great. So now I'm gonna color around before I glue the image. White for the petals. I'm using the uniposca, that is like the acrylic marker paints, just the cover is incredible. All around the petals, they are little daisies, one of my favorite flowers, sunflowers and daisies, love them. There you go, very simple, nothing too hearty, nothing too difficult. Then we're gonna give a nice bright center with orange, and with the green I'm gonna go around and color the leaves. It really take minutes to do it, seconds even. I'm gonna add some more leaves on that flower. I think it needs some more. There we go. Color those ones. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and glue my little stamp to the tag. I'm using Glossy Accent, that is a very strong sealant and glue. There it is. But it's liquid, so if I make a mistake I can still move it around for the first few seconds. But yeah, it's correct, perfect. I'll leave it there. I think that I'm missing some details, so I'm gonna go around with my black pens and add it here and there. There you go. I do realize that my voice sounds very boring. I'm really sorry. The more I listen to myself and more I say, oh my gosh, why I'm doing the voiceover? Jeez. I wish I had the Laura Fedora voice. I don't know if you ever seen their video. They are fantastic and so funny. I'm gonna add a link on the description below so you can have a look if you didn't yet. There you go, a bit of details here and there, that's better. I'm gonna use a sentence that comes from the kit. It said, the purpose of life is to be happy. I'm gonna remove some of the words so I can use big letters for life and for happy. I think it gives a better finish. Letters as well come in the kit. You can have them in black, in white, or mixed color. Up to you, you can choose. So while I find the letters, I'm gonna tell you maybe a little bit about myself. So I'm originally from Italy, so my English is not great either, I'm so sorry. I come from Sardinia. There is a little island in Italy that is quite beautiful. It's got amazing seaside. You should come and visit. We got great food either. That is a good thing. There you go. Let me position the letters and the sentence. There you go. A P. I think I need more space there. This one a bit more on the left maybe. So we're never really happy with that position the first time. There you go, I think like that is okay. So I want to glue everything together, but I'm gonna use again Glossy Accent. There you go. And there's another bits of the sentence there. The sentence come in black with the white background, and the same sentence in white with black background. So you can use in different way. There you go. Now as everything is glued, I jump directly, and I'm gonna go around with the uniposca again just to give some details on the letters so they look more puffy. There we go. And all around the centers there, actually not all around, just on the bottom part, like to give him volume basically. And that's it, it's basically finished. Oh, sorry, no, I forgot to go around my wall, my cracked, let's say, frame, and add the space I created, fill it up with white. There you go, all around. I think it gives a better effect. What do you think? And the last few bits to fill up on the bottom. And that's it. And basically the card is finished. I hope you enjoyed. You had a bit of fun. And as I said, I'm going to put in the description below all the information where to get all the stuff I use. Thank you so much for being with me today, and I hope you have a lovely weekend. See you next time. Bye!